Shrinking belly fat after 50 often feels like fighting a losing battle. You eat right, you stay active, but that stubborn weight around your midsection just refuses to budge. It is incredibly frustrating to look in the mirror and feel like your body is secretly working against you. But what if the secret to a shrinking waistline does not require starving yourself or pushing through exhausting workouts? There are simple, everyday kitchen staples that act like natural medicine to fire up your metabolism while you are fast asleep. We'll discuss what you can drink before bed to trigger your body's natural fat-burning mode. Stay tuned until the end, because the last drink is an incredibly powerful one that can change your mornings forever. 1. Chamomile. You probably know chamomile as a sleepy time drink, but it is a fantastic tool for shrinking your waistline. When you are stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, a hormone that directly tells your system to store fat right around your belly. Chamomile rapidly calms your nervous system and lowers those cortisol levels. It acts like a gentle internal broom, sweeping away inflammation in your gut so your body can heal. Just steep 1 bag of plain chamomile tea in a mug of hot water for 5 minutes. Drink it 30 minutes before bed to help your body naturally shift into a fat-burning mode while you are in a deep sleep. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a kitchen staple for good reason. The magic inside is a natural compound called acetic acid. When consumed, this acid gets to work right away, stabilizing your blood sugar levels. Blood sugar spikes are the primary reason your body stores belly fat instead of burning it. By keeping those levels flat and steady, apple cider vinegar forces your system to tap into stored fat overnight. Never drink it straight. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm water. Drink it an hour before bedtime to effortlessly regulate your blood sugar through the night. 3. Ginger. Ginger is the powerhouse I promised you, and one of the absolute best things to target belly fat. Inside ginger are natural oils called gingerols. These compounds directly speed up your digestion and activate a process that burns calories to generate body heat. It rapidly targets the bloated feeling in your stomach and helps flush out excess water weight while you sleep. Preparation is incredibly simple. Slice a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger root, drop it into a mug, and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep for 10 minutes and drink this potent tea right before sleep. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video helpful and you feel that this information is eye-opening and has the potential to save lives, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos.